In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reCAPTCHA to WooCommerce step by step for 2025. This process is essential if you want to protect your online store from spam, bots, and malicious activity while keeping the shopping experience smooth and secure for real customers. If you're running a WooCommerce store, this simple guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, head over to your WordPress site and log into your dashboard. This is where all your WooCommerce and website settings are managed, so make sure you're logged into the correct site before continuing. Next, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Plugins. This will open the WordPress plugin directory, where you can find tools that add extra functionality to your site. Now, use the search bar and type in reCAPTCHA. As you search, you'll see multiple plugins appear. Look for a plugin that supports Google reCAPTCHA and works well with WooCommerce. Once you've found the right plugin, click on the Install Now button next to it. After the plugin finishes installing, the Install button will change to Activate. Go ahead and click Activate to make sure the plugin is fully enabled. This step is very important because the plugin won't work unless it's activated. Once the plugin is active, navigate to the plugin settings. Inside the settings area, look for an option related to Google reCAPTCHA or Advanced Google reCAPTCHA. This is where you'll configure how reCAPTCHA works on your WooCommerce site. Now, choose the type of reCAPTCHA you want to use. You may see options like checkbox reCAPTCHA or invisible reCAPTCHA. Pick the option that best fits your store's security needs and user experience. A visible checkbox adds reassurance, while invisible reCAPTCHA keeps the process seamless for shoppers. After selecting your preferred reCAPTCHA type, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This ensures all your settings are applied correctly to your WooCommerce store. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added reCAPTCHA to your WooCommerce site and strengthened your store's protection against spam and bots. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more useful tutorials like this.